Welcome! In front of me I have RoHS Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button right here. And after you turn on the watch, you will need to download and install the FunDo application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on Search and type in FunDo Pro, and then tap on Search. And you should see this application on the list, FunDo Pro. Tap on it, then tap on Install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, tap on Open to open it. In the app, tap on I agree. And once you see the home page, tap on More, Add Device, tap on OK, allow the required permissions. And the app should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch. If it doesn't, wake up the screen on your watch and try again. Or we can open the settings on our watch. Let me actually first change the language to English because it's in French, I believe. Okay. Now it's in English. Find the settings, tap on Settings, Bluetooth settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is disabled, so we need to enable the Bluetooth, tapping on Power change to turn it on. And once you turn on the Bluetooth, tap on Find in the app, and it should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on it to select it. Here you can tap on OK or Cancel. Then tap on OK. Allow all the ID permissions. If you want the notifications to work, you will need to allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can deny them. And if you see this, basically if the app redirects you to this page, you need to find the FunDo app, tap on it. Tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and then you can go back. And the app also wants the permission to work in the background, but you don't need to allow it if you don't care. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see your smartwatch on the My Device, or rather under My Device category. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.